Dad, could you call my mom?
Huh?
You know where she's at?
I don't know her number, but
219-225-6755.
675 what?
That's it.
219?
675-675-675.
you're missing a number, but
Oh, then I'll look for her on Google Maps.
okay.
You're good.
Okay,
You're
All
good.
right, that's not how it goes, bud.
Okay. Oh, we'll find her someday.
Okay, thank you.
Papi, tú puedes decir a mami que estoy perdido. No sé. Acabo de cagar. No, yo puedo, no puedo. No puedo. Do you really want to hurt me? Smells wonderful. Sir, you gotta smell this.
No shit.
Oh, okay.
Es como el brazo que lo tira.
Can I do for
You think this extra small will fit me? Is that a no?
you? Just might as well if it might fit me.
Well, I think I'm small. Am I smaller? Am I taller than you?
A little bit.
Cause see, this shirt right here is Columbia.
Yo.
Yeah. I got Columbia before, but I had extra small. It was too big. So I get it. So sorry.
Oh, you're all
Do you think it won't fit me? You think it'll fit me now?
Could be.
Here, I'll put that back. I'm a reckless because your name's Terry. Barry.
Yeah.
Terry. Oh, remember Michael?
No.
Right. Remember, I was telling Michael about the thing in the Chevy with Mary Folks 5. They went to the Flabbergabber store and bought.
1995.
Yeah.
No kid.
They went to the Flabbergabber store and bought Mediterranean abstinence. Remember?
Can't put my finger on it.
95?
Yeah.
OK， 你話就得啦。
Ay, seni her günden fayda.
United States. United States.
Yes.